Jury instructions defining enterprise upheld. State of Ohio v. Diargo Griffin. Case numbers 2013-1129 and 2013-1319. 2nd District Court of Appeals, Montgomery County. The instructions given in a Montgomery County case alleging corrupt activity adequately defined the elements of an enterprise for the jury, the Ohio Supreme Court ruled on October 30th, 2014.
This group of people joined together. They packaged drugs together. They conducted the sales together.
If the charge that the defendants, there were 2 of them tried together, right?
Yes, there were 3 defendants, but 1 pled and 2 were tried together.
If the charge that they had requested had been given, what additional proof would have been required by the state?
No additional proof, because had the instructions been given, had the Boyle instruction been given, it would have just stated the same thing differently.
The overriding principle in this case is prejudicial error to refuse a jury instruction that is accurate, that states the law, and isn't covered in the general instruction. The racketeering requirement requires proof of an enterprise and engaging in a pattern of corrupt activity. It's our argument that the jury wasn't told that an enterprise required concerted effort by parties with a common purpose working together for that purpose.
What did the trial judge say an enterprise was? Because the word enterprise isn't something that's an everyday word.
Exactly.
And you asked for a specific definition of enterprise based on the federal law of what the definition was, correct?
Exactly, Your Honor. And I'm not hung up on the fact that federal versus state. I'm just hung up on what is the correct definition. The definition that we have of enterprise in the code is the definition the judge gave. That definition is circular. It's not adequate.
An instruction that gives a jury all the information that it needs to decide the questions in a case is a sufficient jury instruction. It does not need to be in the exact language of the defendant's request.
The decision reverses the 2nd District Court of Appeals judgment that the jury instructions had been lacking, and the case now returns to the trial court to sentence Diargo Griffin on the corrupt activity charge. The ruling also resolves a conflict between Ohio appellate courts on the issue.